Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Unique here with another hair tutorial, and if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. YouTube, it's me Unique here with another hair tutorial, and today I am going to be doing this hairstyle, which is the spring curl. And pretty much this hairstyle I used a total of, I'll have it in the description box below, and then I'll also insert the video when I first got the hair coming up next. But yeah, I had the packs coming through. It comes in 3 packs and all that good stuff, and I believe I put all that information in this video coming up that tells you about it when I first got the hair. But yeah, this is the final look of it, and yeah, I'm gonna let y'all jump right into the video. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me Unique here, and this is I just want to go ahead and unbox this or whatever, or show you the hair that I just got, and then we'll jump into the video of everything else. But I wanted to go ahead and record this while I had it on my mind, and it just literally, Amazon just dropped it off. I got the hair from Amazon. It's called Spring Hair, and I ordered, it's really cheap hair. It's really affordable. So I ordered one thing, and I'll leave the link for the hair in the description box below. But I ordered one pack of, well, one bundle, I should say, one bundle of the hair, and then I ordered an extra pack of hair. And one bundle it comes with 3 packs. So it comes like this, and in here it has 3 bundles in here, and then I ordered a separate 3 packs, and I ordered a separate bundle. So it is spring hair, and then I got, the bundle I got was the T1B and burgundy. So T usually means that it, you know, it dang, I can't think of what it is, but it basically fades into it, you know. So this is how it comes. And then you get 3 of these in one bundle. I think it was like $23 or $24, something like that. So you get 3. So that's 2. And then you got, oh, they must have included some extra stuff. So, and you got 3. So this is the 3rd pack. And then you also have these. They gave you these, I guess, as extra, and then this little clip here came in this bag. Oh, it's another clip in here too. Yeah, so they comes in 2 clips, and then they gave you the thing. So I put that back in there, and then here's the extra bundle I ordered, and I believe, I want to say this was $9.99 maybe. I don't even think it was $9.99. I don't know. I'll put it in the description box, and I'll update the pricing when I do the full video. But for this look, I wanted to do I want to do the crochet method. I don't want to individually put it in my head, because I don't have that much patience to do that individually in my head. And the technique that you do that would look the best is the twist and then twisting. And I'm not that good at that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to prepare the hair, and I'll show you that coming up next. I'll prepare the hair, and then I'll actually do the crocheting it in after I prepare the hair. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing, and let's jump into me preparing the hair to be installed. Okay, so here I took a hanger that I had around the house, and I just broke the end of it, and I taped it to the desk so I would have something to twist the hair onto. This is what the hair looks like as a single strand. In order to achieve the look, I basically did 2 types of twists. The first one is when I split the hair into 2. You take the hair, and when you split it into 2, you are going to kind of pull left and right, work it basically to the point where it splits without getting tangled. Once you do that, you'll have 2 strands, and I'm going to take 1 strand at a time, and I'm going to apply some Eco or Echo style gel. And you don't have to apply a lot, just enough to wet it, but mostly focusing on the ends of the hair. And once you apply it, what you want to do is when you are twisting, you do not have to twist tight. As you'll see, I'm actually touching the strands with my whole hand, and I'm just kind of tossing it left over right. Again, you do not have to pull and you do not have to twist tight. Just go left over right, and then once you get to the ends, you are going to basically take your finger and you're going to twist that until it basically curls back up. But again, I'm speeding up right now, but it is a light twist. And you can add more gel to make it curl a little bit more, and once you let it go, it'll actually stretch back. This hair is very bouncy, and that's the final look of one of the strands. I'm going to show you again with the other strand. You do the same thing. You apply just a little bit of gel, and you honestly, when you split it, you need to use some type of product. In my opinion, you need to use some type of product. If not, if you do it the other way, which is coming up, you really don't have to use product. I'm going to do the same thing, and we're going to twist it. Basically, just throwing the strand left over right. Now once you get to the end of it and you're trying to twist it to make it curl, even if that curl does not go as you want, you can cut the end of it. You'll see me cutting the ends of this one because it did not curl to the extent that I wanted it to. Sometimes the gel will help with that, and then sometimes it won't. So what you can do is you can cut the little scraggly ends off just to make it look better. And again, I didn't want mine to be uniform. I wanted them to look the way they are looking now. And then this method is the one where you just leave the strand as is. What you're going to do is you're just going to pull it apart and not even stretch it out. Just tug on the strand until it's just a little bit raggedy. And then you're going to apply the gel and you're going to twist it the same way, left over right. And then when you leave it whole, it's actually much easier to twist. And again, I'm just tossing the strands left over right. Once you get to the end of it, you can really just take that and twist it. When you leave it whole, it's much easier for those ends to stay together. And now you'll see pretty much the difference of when you split versus once you keep it whole. But I did this all the way throughout all of the hair, and I used a total of, I want to say I used all three and a half bags. I had just a little bit left of the separate bag that I purchased. And this is the burgundy, and then also in the middle where you see the darker, that's just the 1B color. Okay, for my braids, I have 14 braids in the front, and I have 8 braids in the back. And we're going to get started with the crocheting and just slide it right off the hanger. I untaped it from the desk and just sliding it off right off the hanger, and then the whole of the actual twist will be a little bit small, but it's workable. You know, you can work with it. And if you have not seen my previous videos, I do the same thing, which is go into the front and off to the side. And again, I usually don't use the hook to grab the end of it, depending on the type of hair, but most of the time I just usually use my fingers. And then you grab it, and then I only knot my hair one time. I don't feel the need to do it twice, only once. Once is good enough for me, and it stays with no problem. And when I do my crochets, I always do the same thing, where if I do five of the crochets themselves on the braid on the left side, I'm going to do 5 on the right side as well. Did you subscribe? I'm just trying to figure out why you ain't subscribed yet. If you are, thank you so much for subscribing. And then if you are subscribed, like, I just thanked you for it. So hit that bell button if you ain't hit it. That way you get notified every time I upload something. So yeah, if you're not subscribed, what is you waiting on? Like, come on, we are family. Like, I know you like the video so far, and I know you're gonna want to see more from me. And I know that's a little cocky and a little entitled and, you know, all that other stuff. I don't care. I don't. But please subscribe. And if you have, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate it. I appreciate every single one of my subscribers. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up, all that good stuff. I'm gonna let y'all get back to the video. Okay, so now you'll see that I basically did the outline of the front of my hair, and I always start in the front of my hair because the front to me always needs to be full. And usually if you are just beginning to do crochets, what my biggest mistake was when I first started doing crochets was I would put way too much hair in the back, and you don't need to put a lot of hair in the back because you'll have so much in the front that it'll cover most of the back of your head. Now this is the final look of the front being finished, and it looks like my whole head is finished, but this is just the front part of my head being finished. And at this point I'm going to put it in a ponytail so that way I can start on the back of the hair. I'm doing the back just like I did the front. Crocheting and starting at the bottom of the nape and then going right through the braid and then pulling it through and using my fingers to knot it. And at this point I'm almost done. I have a few more to do into the back of the hair. And now the hair is complete, and this was just the ponytail that I had just to hold up the hair. So now this is the final look. It is very full, it is bouncy, but now I got to do something to these edges, and I do use She Is Bomb Edge Control. And when I do my edges, I prefer to use a comb and then use a toothbrush. And then when you're doing this, don't be afraid to apply the product. And just like how I just combed off the excess, you can comb out the excess. Okay, y'all, that is it. It is nice and full and bouncy, and I love this look. I can't even lie, I really do. I love this hair, and it's very affordable. So I did end up paying about $32, $33, and it came very fast. It came in 2 days. Hope you all like it. So much for watching the video, and yeah, this is the final look. And yeah, if you have not subscribed, again, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment below if you have any questions about the hair. And I also have a link to the actual hair that I bought from Amazon in the description box below. And also make sure you check out some of my videos from my 30-day series. I believe day 15 is like the funniest one. But I'll have that in the description box below. And again, thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope I provided all the information. Until next time.